Good morning, departure Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey everybody, hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for coming along on today's video. Today's going to be another short video, and you're going to say, dang, that guy's at the hangar again? Yes, I am. And you may recognize the wingtip of the SF50 Vision Jet. What you might not recognize, though, is it is this beautiful SF50 Vision Jet. This is a Generation 2 Vision Jet. It's got the safe return feature. It also has auto throttles, and the previous owner actually added the hot and high performance package to it. That gives you the extra takeoff thrust for the first couple minutes of takeoff and climb. So that is that SF50 Vision Jet, Generation 2. I fly it on occasion for the owner. The first time I flew this plane, I went to the Boston area and picked it up. It was the longest flight of my entire flying career as a pilot. It was 4.7 hours of Hobbs time, almost 5 hours in the airplane. And the reason for that was because we departed Boston and flew into a wide area of weather that really was persistent most of the day. So we were vectored all the way down the Atlantic seaboard, across North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and then over to Nashville. And it was a long one, but it's never too long when you fly a beautiful plane like this. And it was a real pleasure flying for the owner. So it's a great opportunity. I'm gonna let you take a look at this airplane a little closer, and I hope you enjoy the video. What a stunning airplane. It is absolutely beautiful. It's got this really neat looking gray color, and I wish I knew the factory paint name for this color, but it is certainly really beautiful. This is a Generation 2 Vision Jet, and as I might have mentioned before, it's got the safe return feature, auto throttle, and the previous owner also added the hot and high performance package to this that gives you the extra 20 to 30% of takeoff performance for the initial 2 minutes or so of the climb. It's a beautiful airplane. It's got black interior seats configured right now with the 7-seat configuration. It's got 3 seats in the third row, 2 seats in the second row, and of course, the pilot and co-pilot seat up front. It's a beautiful plane. It's got this beautiful Generation 2 carpet in it as well, and just absolutely stunning in every aspect. I spent the last 3 to 4 hours or so in the hangar today with it, and got her looking sharp for a flight that we have tomorrow. And I'm flying the owner and his family, and that'll be a pretty nice flight. Hope you find this aircraft to be as beautiful as I do, and hope you enjoy the look of this Generation 2 Vision Jet. Again, it's one of the sharpest looking SF50s in the fleet. There are some special edition planes as well out there, the Arrive models that are also very nice looking, and there's some XIs, which are the custom interior and exterior SF50s, which are very nice as well. But this is one of their standard configurations that you can order right from Cirrus Aircraft. It's one of those factory colors, and they just do a great job at putting these packages together for people. I really appreciate you guys coming along on today's video. It's a short one, and but nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed looking at this particular Generation 2 Vision Jet. Again, it's one of the ones that I fly for the owner on occasion, and it's a great opportunity to be able to get inside of an exceptional aircraft like this. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot. And be sure to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Thanks a lot for coming along on today's video from John C. Toon Airport in Nashville, Tennessee, with this beautiful Generation 2 Vision Jet. I hope you have a great day, and certainly appreciate you watching the channel. Thanks for supporting the channel, and don't forget to send any comments, questions, or feedback that you may have by either email or post them in the comments. Some of the subscribers have asked me to show what the baggage compartment looks like of the SF50. So there's a baggage door. It's along the left side of the aircraft near the tail. And this is what the interior looks like. It's pretty spacious. It has some tie downs, so if you want to put some luggage or items, you can tie them down and they won't bounce around too much. This particular baggage area has a 300-pound weight limit. It also has the cargo extend tube, which goes quite a ways back into the tail of the aircraft. That's used for skis or golf clubs, extra storage. That area only has a 40-pound limit though, so you gotta be careful about that. And that's what the baggage area looks like. There's one or two other things I'd like to show you guys as well. As you can see, this is the pilot seat, and it has been moved completely back and very close to the second row seat. But this gives you a way to get inside the aircraft. Sorry about that sunlight, apparently it's a little too bright, you won't be able to see. But essentially that's the egress position for the seat, and it slides forward into its regular position. So that's how that works. The other thing I want to show you guys is the start-stop button and where it's positioned. So you have the side stick here, and of course there is the start-stop button and the engine control knob. So the engine control knob has two positions. It's got off and then run, as you can see. So you rotate it one click to the right to put it in the run position, but it won't do anything at that point. You'll need to press and hold the start-stop button for 1 to 2 seconds. It will start the engine at that point, and then you just come up here, and by then, you know, your MFD will be powered up and working. You'll be able to read the engine indicators to make sure you're getting a good start. So the opposite's true, is once you're ready to shut down the aircraft, you have to turn the engine control knob to off position, but the engine's going to keep running until you press and hold the start-stop button. So it's always going to be a two-step process, either to start or to turn the engine off, and that's how that's done. So there's not much of an opportunity for you to inadvertently hit any of these. The start-stop button has to be pressed in. So even if you were to come off of this side stick in turbulence, you can't really press it sufficiently to turn the engine off. And even if you did, guess what? If this is not in the off position, it won't turn the engine off anyway. So pressing this does nothing if the engine control knob is still in the run position. And until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next video.
I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.